So hi guys, and if you want to remove a background from any picture in one click without learning any Photoshop skills, watch this video till the end. And now let's make a deal. If this video helps you, please subscribe to our channel so that I can complete the aim of 150 subscribers before the end of August. And now let's begin the video. So just go to the remove.bg website, whose link is also given in the description box below, and now upload the image from which you want to remove the background, and within few seconds of processing the background will be removed. And just see how precisely and edge to edge the background is erased. So I hope this website will be helpful for you, and that's pretty much for this video. If this video helped you or you enjoyed this video, then please drop a like, subscribe to our channel. If you want, you can also comment down below, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, peace.